Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Green Bengal. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show how to propagate Aglaonema plant. Aglaonema is an evergreen perennial ornamental beautiful foliage decorative house plant in the Araceae family. These species are mainly native to the tropical and subtropical regions of Asia and New Guinea. It's commonly known as Chinese Evergreen. The NASA recommended one of the best air purifying houseplant is an Aglaonema. This plant propagation can be done by stem cutting and dividing the shoots. Best cutting growing season is monsoon, early autumn and spring. Now I am going to show you how to propagate Aglaonema from dividing shoots. First of all, take this plant and dividing these shoots from the main plant. It is a very simple and fastest method. Separate these shoots from the main plant and grow it individual pots. Now I am make potting mix for Aglaonema plant. The ratio of the potting mix is 60% normal garden soil, 20% vermicompost and 20% fine sand. Mix it well. Take a pot with well drainage system and fill it with potting mix. Take these dividing shoots and plant it into the center of the pot. Finally, thorough watering and keep it partial shade place. Aglaonema is a very low maintenance and low light plant. The caring tips of Aglaonema plant. First tip is light. It prefers indirect sunlight or low light condition for best growth. Second tip is potting mix. Plant your Aglaonema in well-drained potting mix. Third tip is watering. This plant loves moist soil, so keep this soil just moist, not soggy. Fourth tip is fertilizer. This plant don't require too much fertilizer. Give vermicompost or any organic compost once in a 6 months. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.